Let's make delicious cauliflower potato curry, starting with heating your pan and some oil. Then add some black mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let those pop. Listen to the pop. Oh, sounds great. Now it's time to add the sliced onions. Let those soften a little bit, and then go ahead and add your hot chili peppers. Give it a little stir, let them soften, and then it's time to add your ginger and spices. We're adding turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Stir it all together, and ooh, those smells. Let them get a little bit toasty. Just wait, and add your tomatoes. Stir those in, pick up any brown bits. Oh, the cilantro stems need to go in too. Give it a nice stir. Smell that aroma. Add your coconut milk or yogurt. Give it a nice stir. And there goes the potatoes and cauliflower. Mix them all in. Stir, stir, stir. Give them some time. Taste test. Where are you at? And I need a little bit of salt. And you know what? My jalapenos were mild, so I'm going to add a little bit of chili pepper. Totally your choice. Stir. Let cook. Let heat through. It doesn't take long now. Add some cilantro or parsley, and your dish is ready to serve. Yum. I added chickpeas to make a full meal.